So I learned how to change the nappies, I learned how to bath her. But then, you know, obviously teething stage is it's very difficult, challenging phase. I remember when her first tooth grew, I remember her waking up and she had a tooth, which was, it was really funny for me. I was just really surprised. Obviously they know the way they grow, but wow, she just woke up and she had a tooth smiling at me, so that was quite funny. There are many tips about brushing your teeth that are appropriate for her age. And first of all, you have to choose the right kind of toothbrush. You need to just put a tiny bit of toothpaste as well, because they don't know how to spit out. I think probably the most important time, and it's crucial time, is at night time. Because, you know, it's a long period of time where acid from food throughout the day can act on the teeth, so you make sure you brush your teeth at night. One of the most important things is obviously to brush the tongue, because there could be remnants of food on the tongue. And as the teeth continue growing, you can start using dental floss. And all of these tips, they just help make the process a lot easier. But obviously you can also just ask your dentist for any other tips as well.
Brush, 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 brush your teeth. Brush your teeth so they are clean. Brush, 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 brush your teeth. Brush your teeth so they are clean.
It's great now because she loves to brush her teeth, you know. Actually, she loves to suck the toothpaste off the toothbrush, but I'm trying to encourage her to brush it properly because it's very important.